Okay, good morning children. So we are completed rational numbers and irrational numbers. What are called rational numbers children? The numbers which can be written in the form of p by q, where p, q are integers and q is not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. And irrational numbers means the numbers which cannot be written in the form of p by q. Okay. So where p and q are integers, so these numbers are called irrational numbers. P by which can be written in the form of p by q are called rational numbers. Which cannot be written in the form of p by q are called irrational numbers. What are the decimal expansion rational numbers? Decimal expansion of rational numbers are terminating decimal and non-terminating decimals. Okay. And in irrational numbers, what are the decimals? Expansion? Yes. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Non-terminating, non-recurring decimal. Okay, ma'am. So now we are going to the next topic is real numbers. What are called real numbers? Real numbers means what? The collection of rational numbers and irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, a collection of both rational numbers and all irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, write down. The collection of all rational numbers and all irrational numbers are called real numbers. So what are called real numbers means collection of all rational numbers and all irrational numbers are called real numbers. Okay, these are real numbers means it is a combination of both rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay children, come on write. So rational numbers means it is in the form of p by q, but irrational means it is not in the form of p by q. Okay. Next example 9, see children. Find any two irrational numbers between 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. So you have to find any two irrational numbers between these two numbers. These are in the form of p by q. So these are rational numbers. You can find in these two rational numbers between, you have to find irrational numbers, any two irrational numbers. So given rational numbers are, what are those? 1 by 5 and 2 by 7. How to find in between these two irrational numbers? So in the rational numbers you have to find, between rational numbers you have to find mean method, a plus b method. But here how to find irrational numbers between two rational numbers? That is very easy, 1 by 5. So you have to find a value of 1 by 5. That means you should divide. Okay. So 0.0, 5 to 10. So what is the answer? 0.2. Okay, ma'am. Next, another one, 2 by 7. This one also you should find division. So 0.0. 7 to 14. How much? 6. Again 0, 7 8 56 4 0 7 5 35 5 0 7 7 49 1 0 7 1 7 3 0 7 4 28 2 0 7 2 14 6. Yes. Again 7 8 56. Same order will come here. Up from here 2 8. So what is the answer? 0.285714. Again 2 8 will be repeated now. So you have to take bar here. Okay, ma'am. So these are which decimals? This is a terminating decimal. Why? Because it will be ended here. Okay, so it is a terminating decimal, and this one it is a non-terminating recurring decimal. Non-terminating recurring decimal. Why? Because it here it is repeated this number, so it is non-terminating repeating decimal. Now these two are rational numbers. Now you have to find in between these two irrational numbers. How to find, children? Here see 0.2, here 0.28. In between, what are those? You can write so many numbers in between these two. Okay. So 0.2, 0, 1, 0, 2, so on. 0.2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, so on. 0.2 from before this number, what is the number? 0.2745, like that. Any infinite numbers are there in between these two. Okay, children? So, therefore, the two irrational numbers between 1/5 and 2/7 are, you can write as you wish. 0.2 is there. After that, which number? 0.2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0, so on. Like that, some numbers are there. Okay. And next, 0.21 after 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, like that will come now. You can write as you wish. 2, 3, 4, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, so on. Okay. Like that, you can write so many irrational numbers. Okay, ma'am? Come on, write. Okay, now to find irrational numbers between two numbers. So what is the formula to find irrational numbers between two numbers is root AB. Write this one. If A and B are two positive rational numbers, positive rational numbers such that AB is not a perfect square of a rational number. Okay, rational
Resma, tell me.
So if A and B are two positive rational numbers such that AB is not a perfect square of a rational number, then square root of AB is an irrational number. Is an irrational number lying between A and B. So what is the meaning is here? If A and B are two positive rational numbers, if you take any two positive rational numbers, that means A and B, such that AB is not a perfect square of a rational number. So you have to multiple those two rational numbers such that that number will be not a perfect square. Then root AB is an irrational number lying between A and B. Suppose example C 2 into 2 and these two are positive rational numbers. Okay. Now multiple two twos how much? 4. 4 is a perfect square or not? Yes, 4 is a perfect square. So it is not an irrational number. Okay children? Next. 5 into 4. Okay. 5 4 how much? 20. 20 is a perfect square. No, it is not a perfect square. So it is an irrational number. So how to do? Root AB. That means 5 4 how much? Root 20. Root 20 is not a perfect square. So that's why root 20 is an irrational number. Like that you have to find it. Did you understand now? Come on, right. Next example 10c. Find an irrational number between 3 and 4. Find an irrational number between 3 and 4. So what are the given numbers here? Given rational numbers are 3 and 4. Okay. Now you have to find an irrational number between these two numbers. What is the formula? Just now only we learned square root of AB. Okay. An irrational number between 3 and 4 is square root of AB. What is A here? 3 into B value 4. Square root of 3 into 4. How much? 3 4s how much? 12. Okay ma. Now 3 4s 12 is it right? Okay. Now you can write square root of 3 into square root of 4. Can you write like that? Square root of 3 into 4 we can write as square root of 3 into square root of 4. Okay. Square root of 3 into square root of 4. 4 square root is 2. So what is the answer? 2 into root 3. So what is the irrational number between 3 and 4 is 2 root 3. Okay. Come on, right. Examine whether the following numbers are rational or irrational. Rational or irrational. First sum is 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. Second sum is 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Third one, 10 by 2 root 5. Fourth one, root 2 plus 2 whole square. So first sum, 3 plus root 3 plus 3 minus root 3. So you have to examine these numbers are rational or irrational. You have to find it. How to find it? 3 plus root 3 here plus, again you have to open the brackets only, 3 minus root 3. Now observe here, plus root 3 minus root 3 will be cancelled. What is the answer? 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 how much? 6. 6 is a rational number or irrational number, children? 6 is a rational number. Is a rational number. Next. Second one, 3 plus root 3 into 3 minus root 3. Here it is multiplication. Here plus is there, but here multiplication. So how is it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So already we learned in the 8th class. A plus b into a minus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So what is a here? 3. So 3 square minus b. B value is root 3. Root 3 whole square. Okay. Now here square root will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 3 square means 9 minus 3. 9 minus 3 how much? 6. Again 6 is a rational number. Rational number. And third one, 10 by 2 root 5. How to find this one? 10 by 2 root 5. See here, 2 ones 2, 2 fives 10. Can you divide like this? Yes, 2 ones 2 fives. So what? 5 by root 5. How can you write 5? Root 5 into root 5. Can you write like this? 5. Root 5 into root 5 means 5. Okay. Now denominator is root 5. Here root 5, here root 5 will be cancelled. So what is the answer? Root 5. So root 5 is a rational number or irrational number? Yes, it is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. And next, fourth one, square root of 2 plus 2 whole square. Now observe here, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. Okay, it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So what is the formula? A plus b whole square formula? A square plus b square plus 2ab. So a means root 2 whole square plus 2ab. 2 into a means root 2 into b value how much? 2. Okay, plus b square. B square means 2 square. So here root 2 whole square. Square root will be cancelled. So what is the answer? 2 plus 2 into 2, 4 root 2. 4 root 2 plus 2 square means how much? 4. Now 2 plus 4 how much? 6 plus 4 root 2. 6 plus 4 root 2 is a rational number or irrational number? Irrational number. Why? Because here root 2 is there. So it is an irrational. Is an irrational number. Okay, children, like that you have to find rational or irrational. Come on, right. And what is the homework is? Today's homework is exercise 1.2, first Roman, third Roman, fourth Roman. You can do homework. Okay, ma'am. So classify the following numbers as rational or irrational. Same like that, this only you have to find it.
Also, first example I told now, in today's class like that. Fourth one also you can find the rational numbers between these two. So that is the homework, children. You can do and send it to my WhatsApp number.